Good morning, students. I J Kumar once again before you with second part of Mendeleev's classification of elements. In my last video, I told you Mendeleev classified all the 63 elements of his time in 8 vertical columns and 6 horizontal rows. Vertical columns in periodic table is known as group and horizontal rows in periodic table is known as periods. So you can say in Mendeleev's periodic table the number of groups were 8 and number of periods were 6. And you must know, my dear students, at time of Mendeleev, there were no discovery of noble gases. So, when noble gases were discovered later on, these elements were separately added in the Mendeleev's periodic table at extreme right of his periodic table by giving zero group. So you keep in mind in zero group noble gases are present. Noble gases which were not known at the time of Mendeleev, and after their discovery separately they were added at extreme right of Mendeleev's periodic table. Students, I want to tell you Mendeleev succeeded to classify 63 elements. Why he succeeded to classify 63 elements? This is because students, two factors guided him while classifying elements. Although he arranged elements on basis of their increasing atomic masses, but he gave a special emphasis on similar property of element because he thought that atomic masses of elements might be wrong, but chemical property of elements cannot be wrong. So students, in similar property, Mendeleev in similar property, Mendeleev took formulae of hydride and oxide of the element. Hydride and oxide of the element. Hydride and oxide of the element. So, my dear students, you can see these in the Mendeleev's classification in your textbook. In each column at the top, right, like this, it has been written. Like this, it has been written. Like this, it has been written. Student, this is the formula of hydride of that element, and this is the formula of oxide of that element. So students, these two things he checked while classifying elements, and this is the formula of hydride and oxide. So students, what did he do while arranging elements on basis of their increasing atomic masses? Suppose you can understand like this. Suppose elements he arranged like this in increasing atomic masses. Now after 7, element 8 comes just below the element 1. But students, before keeping elements 8 below 1, he checked formula of oxide and hydride of element 8. If formula of hydride and oxide of element 8 is not similar to the formula of hydride and oxide of element 1. He did not place the elements just below 1, and here what he did, he left gap, and then the element 8 he placed below those elements from which formula of its hydride and oxide belong to. Suppose if a formula of element 8 belongs to formula of element 2, then he placed element 8 just below 2 and not below 1. And by this pattern he arranged all the 63 elements successfully and make a periodic table. Mendeleev's classification was published by giving the name periodic table. Now question arises, what is periodic table? Student, periodic table is a table of elements in which all the elements have been arranged in such way that elements of similar properties come under same vertical column and dissimilar elements get separated from them. So this is the definition of periodic table. Once again, you must keep in mind, periodic table is the table of elements in which elements have been arranged in such a way that elements of similar property come under same vertical column and elements of dissimilar properties get separated from them. So students, Mendeleev arranged all the 63 elements in 8 vertical columns, 8 vertical columns known as groups, and 6 horizontal rows known as periods. So you can say in the Mendeleev's periodic table the number of groups were 8 and number of periods were 6. Okay, now students, next thing, at time of Mendeleev, there were no discovery of elements. There were no discovery of noble gases. After their discovery, these elements were added separately in his periodic table at extreme right, giving name as zero group. So students, this is important for you to know. In Mendeleev periodic table, zero group belongs to noble gases, and already you know 6 noble gases are present: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. Okay, right? So students, in this way Mendeleev classified elements and made a periodic table. Okay, now students, in Mendeleev's periodic table, Also some drawbacks were seen. So what were the drawbacks of Mendeleev periodic table? It is important for you to know. So first point, students, in Mendeleev periodic table, place of hydrogen was not certain. Although Mendeleev placed hydrogen in group 1, but as hydrogen resembles properties like elements of group 7 also, so this is objectionable. Why in group 1 hydrogen, why not in group 7? So this was uncertain place for hydrogen. Second, some anomalous pairs of elements were seen in his periodic table. Anomalous pairs of elements, what does it mean, students? As you know, Mendeleev was guided by two factors. Although he arranged elements on basis of increasing atomic mass, but somewhere while arranging elements, he ignored the order of increasing atomic mass and strictly followed the rule of similar property. Due to this, somewhere in his periodic table, elements of higher atomic mass came before the elements of lower atomic mass. And so, such pairs of elements in the periodic table were said to be anomalous pairs of elements. For example, cobalt and nickel. Student, this is one of the anomalous pair of elements in Mendeleev periodic table. Atomic mass of cobalt is more than atomic mass of nickel. So here in this case, the order of increasing atomic mass has been ignored, and that's why this pair of elements were seen as anomalous pair of elements. And so many such pairs of elements were seen in his classification. So this is regarded as one of the drawback of Mendeleev periodic table. Second, he did not explain the cause of periodicity in elements. Cause of periodicity. Periodicity, it means repetition of elements of similar property at regular intervals when elements are arranged in order of their increasing atomic mass. Students, Mendeleev, when arranged elements in order of their increasing atomic mass, he saw that at regular intervals elements of similar property repeat. Why repeat? Why recur? This was not explained by him. So this is also one of the major drawback of Mendeleev. Students, next, no place for isotopic elements. No separate place. You should say no separate place. No separate place for isotopic elements has been in his periodic table. Students, as you know, isotopes are atoms of same element having slightly different atomic masses. For example, hydrogen 1, hydrogen 2, hydrogen 3, these are the isotopes of element hydrogen. So students, when he arranged element on basis of increasing atomic mass, then for hydrogen 1 there should be separate place, for hydrogen 2 should be separate place, for hydrogen 3 should be separate place. But in his periodic table only one place was provided for element hydrogen and so many other isotopic elements. So this was also regarded as one of the drawback of Mendeleev periodic table. And students, due to these many drawbacks of Mendeleev periodic table, this periodic table was also not accepted. And then students, one more new chemist came forward whose name was Moseley. When Moseley came forward, he stated that the most fundamental property of an element is atomic number, not atomic mass. Students, before Moseley to classify elements, atomic mass of element was regarded as the fundamental property. But Moseley told atomic mass is not the fundamental property of an element. Atomic number is the most fundamental property of an element. And by saying this, Moseley proposed a law which is known as modern periodic law. So students, when elements were arranged on basis of their increasing atomic number, then almost all the drawbacks of Mendeleev's periodic table were sorted out. And hence today we study about the modern periodic table which is based on atomic number. So this I will discuss in my next video. Till then you must wait for it. Thank you very much.